Ready.
Okay, guys. So, this right here is the all-new incredible Golden Freddy. He costs 527 million animal company nuts. Also, he speaks.
Hi.
Unfortunately, that's all he can say. As of what I know. I haven't used Google Translate that much.
Hi.
Also, he flies like that. Royal Freddy, come on. So, my Royal Freddy has the ability to craft anything. So, he crafted this. Wait, what the? Wait, no! Wait, that's the wrong one. What the heck? Glamour Freddy, you betrayed me. Bad boy. So, what does this weapon do? You see here, based off what I know, this weapon can boomerang. And he also put guns. Oh my god. I just murdered my own butler. And fine, I was buying you one. I'm filthy rich anyway. So. There he is. Oh, Royal Freddy. What else have you bestowed upon us inside this new weapon?
It can shoot, it can shield, you can throw.
See, I knew that he didn't listen to that.
And you can go boom.
You know, I don't think that my Freddy Blur is supposed to do that. That was not included in the terms and conditions. Okay, so listen, this was actually just like an item group competition, making item. So we just want to show this off. We just did inside this form of safety. Yes, there are guns. And the shields here, they break the physics. A lot. Also, they can get stuck. But the shields allow you to grab them from anywhere. 2 for 1. Yo, wait, what's going on? Freddy! Freddy, no! Freddy, no!
It's a Caesar attack!
He's a helicopter, no!
Helicopter!
Dude, I'm still recording, dude. What the heck?
Helicopter!
Yo!
Helicopter!
Yo, what is going on?
Oh, helicopter!
Oh, there it is. Aww.
Wait, it was from the axe.
Yeah, it was probably from the axe and the shield physics. Wait, can I get it back? Hang on. Aww. So yeah, that is the amazing Royal Freddy.
Let's try it again.
Yeah, let's try this one more time, actually. That was actually kind of funny. Hang on. We are attempting to recreate a bug on camera. Okay, so what I did, hang on. So Frutus is bouncing and smoked you. Yo, the Binding of Isaac type shit. Okay, Freddy, how much health do you have?
It's at yellow.
Freddy, we're on camera.
It's on yellow.
Oh yeah, you're right. Voice correct. I say even Royal Butlers have voice correct. Okay. Okay. Now, what do we do here?
I think it's because I jumped.
Oh, there we go! There we go! There we go!
Helicopter!
Yes, we did it! Yo! Yo.
Alright, I'm gonna go inside of office.
Secret Agent Freddy!
Secret Agent Freddy!
Secret Agent Freddy has a seizure. Super Freddy has a seizure.
I want to go inside of the
Oh, no, he's flying away. Bye-bye.
Up and away!
In order to cancel the bug, you just press the recall. Or he just despawns naturally.
I just despawned actually.
Okay, I'm not a red watch, but I can still murder myself. Oh wait, did you catch it? Oh man. That sucks.
Oh no!
So that concludes our video here. Wait, Freddy,
Well,
Freddy,
show it to your friends and everything, and
Wait, no,
have a
Freddy,
good
Freddy. Oh wait, it's on my back. Never mind. I was gonna say try to fling me.
oh wait.
So now we'll conclude our video. Like, subscribe. All support's appreciated. And to all the good
My
friends
hammer of
and to all the
doom.
good nights.